Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change the keyboard backlight color on your Lenovo LOQ laptop. First, we will look at the easiest way to control the keyboard light using the keyboard itself. Make sure your laptop is turned on and you are on the desktop screen. Find the FN key on your keyboard. While holding the FN key, press the spacebar key. This key combination is used to control the keyboard backlight. Press FN and spacebar once to turn the backlight on. Press the same keys again to switch between lighting modes. Next, we will use the Lenovo Vantage app. If you do not have it installed, download it from the Microsoft Store. Open the app and wait for it to load. Inside Lenovo Vantage, go to the Spectrum section. Here you can change the keyboard lighting by choosing different colors and effects. You can also create multiple profiles and save your configuration in each one. This way you can quickly switch between your favorite lighting setups whenever you want. Now you know how to change the keyboard backlight color on your Lenovo LOQ laptop. Thanks for watching.